Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have differentiation question, and according to the nature of the question, we are going to use product rule. Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a differentiation question, and according to the nature of the question, we are going to use a product rule. A product rule is suitable for the function that is in the form of y is equal to f of x multiplied by another function that is g of x. As you can see, our question, y is equal to, in the bracket, x cubic plus 1 multiplied by, in the bracket, x square plus 2. Y is equal to, in the bracket, x cubic plus 1 in the bracket, x square plus 2. This fall under the form of y is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. If we let y is equal to u v, we can assign u to x cubic plus 1 and v we can assign to x square plus 2. U is equal to x cubic plus 1 du dx. This is equal to 3x square, and v is equal to x square plus 2 dv dx. This is equal to 2x dy dx. This is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Let us substitute this to our formula. dy dx, this is equal to, our u is equal to x cubic plus 1 multiplied by dv dx, which is 2x. We are going to add by v, which is equal to x square plus 2 multiplied by du dx, which is equal to 3x square. So our answer is equal to, let us arrange it properly. I'll start with 2x in the bracket, x cubic plus 1 plus, I will start with 3x square in the bracket multiplied by x square plus 2. And this is our answer. I hope you understand how to differentiate this question by product rule. Product rule is used to differentiate the function which is in the form of y is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. For more questions on differentiation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.